Have you checked your Apple TV today? Because it just got a massive, game-changing upgrade. Your home entertainment setup is about to feel completely different. Welcome back, Abhian here, and today we are breaking down everything you absolutely need to know about the brand new tvOS 26.4 update. Apple has packed this release with hidden features, surprising app removals, and major quality of life improvements that you will want to start using right away. But that is not all. There are also some massive clues hidden in this update about a brand new Apple TV hardware release. You definitely do not want to miss this. Let's start with one of the most noticeable changes right on your home screen. If you go into the app section of your Apple TV, specifically under the Apple folder, you're going to notice that it looks a little empty. Apple has officially and completely removed the iTunes Movies and iTunes TV Shows apps. For a while now, these apps have been slowly phased out. If you try to open them recently, Apple would just redirect you to the main Apple TV app anyway. But with tvOS 26.4, the old iTunes apps are gone for good. Apple actually warned users about this, telling everyone to move their old iTunes wish lists over to the Apple TV watch list. If you have not updated your Apple TV yet, and you still have items saved in your old iTunes wish list, now is the time to transfer them over before you install this update. Next up, we have a fantastic new customization feature that will make watching late-night movies so much better. Apple has completely overhauled how subtitles work. When you're watching a movie or show in the Apple TV app, you can now bring up the subtitle menu and select from a variety of new styles. You're no longer stuck with the default look. You can choose from classic, large text, outline text, or my personal favorite, transparent background. The transparent option is amazing because it lets you read the text without blocking the beautiful cinematography behind it. You can even go into your accessibility settings and create entirely custom styles. You can change the font size, the color, the background opacity, and even the text edge highlights. This gives you ultimate control over your viewing experience. Just keep in mind that this works best on apps that use the native Apple video player. Audio lovers are also getting a big treat with this update. tvOS 26.4 brings a brand new continuous audio connection feature. If your Apple TV is connected via HDMI to a sound system or a receiver, you can find this in your video and audio settings. This new feature uses a Dolby MAT connection to create completely seamless transitions across different audio formats. Sometimes, older receivers can have trouble switching audio formats quickly, leading to dropped sound or weird glitches. This update fixes that. It keeps a continuous connection, ensuring that your audio always plays exactly as the director intended. If you ever experience audio dropouts on your home theater setup, turning this feature on might solve all your problems. If you're a sports fan, and specifically a Formula One fan, this update is going to make your weekends much better. Apple has introduced new sports tier enhancements right inside the Apple TV app. You no longer have to jump between different streaming apps to figure out when the next practice, qualifying, or race session is happening. Everything is now centralized in one place. You can see live events, catch up on on-demand races, and even ask Siri for the latest standings and schedules. It is a massive time saver for anyone who follows racing. Now, let us talk about something very interesting that developers found hidden deep inside the code of this new update. There are references to CarPlay video support tied directly to the Apple TV app. This means that in the future, when your car is safely parked and you're not driving, you'll be able to sign into the Apple TV app right on your car's dashboard screen and watch your favorite shows and movies. We saw Apple tease big updates for CarPlay at the last developer conference, and this proves they are actually building it out. It makes perfect sense, especially since other car brands like Tesla already allow video playback while parked. Apple has also been busy fixing some really annoying bugs. If you use the beta versions of this software, you probably noticed that streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and Disney Plus were acting up. They would freeze, buffer endlessly, or drop down to a terrible, pixelated resolution. Thankfully, the official public release of tvOS 26.4 completely resolves these streaming issues. Your high-quality 4K playback is back to normal. Another big change is how the Apple TV app handles auto-playing video. Before, video would only autoplay when you were looking at the very top shelf of the app. Now, autoplay has been extended throughout the entire interface. As you scroll down through different categories and new seasons, trailers and previews will start playing automatically. It makes the app feel much more alive and dynamic as you're trying to find something to watch. Speaking of finding things to watch, Apple is rolling out a new feature called Genius Browse. It lives right on your Home tab and suggests content across a bunch of different platforms like Amazon Prime and Disney Plus, based entirely on your current mood or vibe. It is a great way to discover new shows when you do not know what you want. But perhaps the biggest news is what is happening in the physical Apple stores right now. The Apple TV device just turned 19 years old, and suddenly Apple stores are running completely out of stock of the Apple TV 4K, as well as the HomePod and HomePod Mini. In the tech world, this usually means only one thing. A new product is about to drop. The current Apple TV came out way back in October of 2022. We are long overdue for a hardware refresh. Many people are speculating that Apple is about to release a brand new, highly powerful Apple TV equipped with advanced AI capabilities for a much smarter and faster Siri experience. With the WWDC 26 Developers Conference officially announced for June 8th, where we will see the reveal of tvOS 27, the timing is absolutely perfect for a new streaming box. This update really brings a lot to the table, and it is clear Apple is preparing for something even bigger in the near future. What is your favorite new feature in tvOS 26.4? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on all the latest tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button, share this video with a friend, and ring that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.